Unlock 5 guidelines have come into force from the 1st of October and will continue to the 31st of October. All public activity were prohibited by the government when Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the nationwide lockdown in March as coronavirus cases rose in the country. While India now has over 63 lakh coronavirus cases, it is going through Unlock 5.0 to facilitate more activities. Starting October 15th, cinemas, theatres, and multiplexes outside containment zones can reopen with up to 50% seating capacity, for which the guidelines will be issued by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The cinemas were completely shut since March, and their owners have been demanding reopening as the losses have compounded over 7 months. MHA guidelines for Unlock 5 have said that the state and UT governments can decide to reopen schools after 15th of October, but in a graded manner. The decision on reopening schools will be taken in consultation with schools and management of the institutions based on their assessment of the situation and subject to certain conditions. However, even though schools can reopen, online or distance learning shall continue to be the preferred mode of teaching and shall be encouraged. Where schools are conducting online classes, if some students prefer to attend online classes rather than physically attend school, they may be permitted to do so. Students may attend schools and institutions only with written consent of their parents. The MHA Unlock 5 guidelines have also said attendance will not be enforced and must depend entirely on parental consent. In case of higher education institutions dedicated to research scholars and postgraduate students in the science and technology stream who require laboratory and experimental works will be permitted to open from 15th of October. For centrally funded higher education institutions, the head of the institution will have to satisfy themselves that there is a genuine requirement of research scholars and postgraduate students in the science and technology stream for laboratory and experimental works. All other higher education institutions, including state universities, private universities, etc., may open only for research scholars and postgraduate students in the science and technology stream who require laboratory and experimental works, but the decision will be taken by the respective state and union territory governments. Business-to-business exhibitions will be permitted, and the guidelines for this will be issued by the Department of Commerce. Swimming pools that are used for training of sports persons will be allowed to reopen, for which guidelines will be issued by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Entertainment parks and similar places will also be permitted to reopen from the 15th of October. The guidelines will be issued by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in this regard. Unlock 5.0 guidelines have also allowed states the flexibility to relax the limit of 100 persons at public gatherings and functions that are outside containment zones. States can allow an increased number of people to attend a public gathering from the 15th of October. The decision comes before the onset of Dussehra, Diwali and Durga Puja festivities across India. Restrictions on international travel, except those permitted by centre, will continue.